For the next experiment, you will need a balloon, a woolen fabric. You can use your sweater for this, and you will need a piece of paper. So we will begin our experiment by tearing the paper into small pieces. Try to tear them into small pieces, as small as possible, because this will give better results. So we rub the balloon against the woolen material. So I rub the balloon hard on this woolen surface, and when I place it here, it attracts the paper. Why did this happen? This is because when I rub the balloon over this woolen fabric, it gets charged, and this charge attracts the pieces of paper onto the surface of the balloon.